So it's been an interesting year in Canada. We've had a lot of money that's flowed into cannabis and cryptocurrency, liquidity, quick return on investment, and we saw that money be pulled away from the junior resource sector where we work and where we like to get involved with companies in at early stages. On the M&A side, there's 1,000 transactions that I saw when I was looking up last night, small, medium, large. People looking to pull exploration projects, I think, into their portfolios. I think 2017, people were very concerned about capital allocation, how are we going to spend our money, a bit of conservatism on the capital. So maybe in the coming year, perhaps we'll see a little more loosening of that, people actually out looking to add to their exploration and development portfolios. Yes, it's been extremely difficult. We have been at the bottom of the market. 2017 was okay, and then 2018 has been flat, right? Again, money has flowed into other sectors, a lot of wealth creation and value creation in other sectors. But I think at this point, where we like to sit is to look at those companies with solid management, good assets, where we get in early, we can add value. The assets are not necessarily known, but they're undervalued. I think what would make a big difference is a discovery, right? If we had a discovery that would trigger the flow of capital back into the junior resource space. We're working with a company in northwestern Ontario called Great Bear Resources, who we raised $10 million for in September. They've had a nice gold discovery, high-grade gold discovery in Ontario, a very capable, solid management team who understands the business. And we need more of those kinds of opportunities and events to happen, and I think we'll see flow of capital back into the junior resource sector. Like I said, management is key, right? I mean, you can have very good assets, but you have to have a team that understands how to take those assets forward. For example, the team at Great Bear, very geologically smart and savvy. They've worked on the project, they did their homework, they did their due diligence, and now they're executing on their exploration strategy. We're working with a company in the Congo right now who's setting up a cobalt metals trading business. Again, management who's been on the ground, worked in the Congo for 12 years, has run successful businesses in the Congo with significant, long-standing relationships in country. So, I mean, I would agree with Caroline that you really do need a management team that's savvy, that's smart, and that is capable of execution, right? The rate-limiting step always is capital. So, we've been in the business for 30 years. IBK was founded in 1989, and obviously through that 30-year history, we've seen all different types of management teams come through. I think you can fairly quickly determine through initial meetings, are these really capable people to run a company? Running a public company is no small feat. Do you have the technical expertise? Do you understand the jurisdiction you're working in? Do you know about all the intricate community and stakeholder relationships? I mean, as JS said yesterday, we have to do business differently. We have to figure out how to move forward into the 21st century to build better, more sustainable mining companies. That really hinges on your team. U.S. dollar price fluctuations, the U.S. economy, Trump, his political machinations, trade wars. I mean, there's such a raft of factors that affect the gold price. I mean, we are bullish on gold. We work in raising equity for junior companies, so of course the underlying commodity price always is of impact. But we really are looking at companies and how they can work within the jurisdictions, how they can develop those assets, right? So yes, all those macro factors that affect the price of gold, but ultimately we are equity people. So this is my first time in Australia. IMARC has been fantastic. I have met a whole range of people that I would not have met, I think, at other events. I mean, we do Mines Money London, we do PDAC, of course, we've been to Indaba, so we try to pick and choose wisely. I think this is a great forum and opportunity for mining companies, both junior, mid-tier, and senior, technology and innovation, which is critical for the evolution of our business, and financiers to come together. It really is. I've had an exceptional couple of days here. I've met some pretty outstanding people, and I'm looking forward to going back home and further developing those relationships.